This is Sean selling Texan Products. Here I have this light bar mount set up for currently to 32 inches. It uses the factory mounting locations, so you don't have to drill, you don't have to do anything. This is on the 26 model. So as you can see, uses the factory mounting points. I'll get a better shot. You can make it for different sizes of bar. This is set for the 32 inch. But as you can see, it uses the factory mounting points. It'll come flat, but it's flexible. The blue doesn't match, but I'm going to use it anyway. So yeah, it works great. You don't have to modify your vehicle at all. It'll clear the roof on the vehicle. If you have your mounting point, basically it's pretty similar to this one in the front. I'll have some pictures up there. Then you know that it'll work with your model. Installation is literally straightforward. You put the two bolts through, and underneath you have the nuts for it. Basically put both bolts through, start slowly tightening them down. As you do, the plate will bend and curve over and hold it into place. And then you have your side mounts for whatever light you have. Adjustments can be made if you need it for whatever version you have. The whole point of this was to be able to clear the roof without having to do any modifications to it. So if you have the 25, 26 with the OEM roof on, then you will have no problem mounting these and have clearance. So you don't have to modify your roof, you don't have to cut, you don't have to do anything. So yeah, if you have a different year, I'm pretty sure it'll still work. I'm not sure how it would affect the windshield, but considering it just mounts flat underneath, I think it would be fine. Anyway, that's the current setup for the 32 inch light bar mounts.